Today I tried making Apurva's favorite khichuri. First in heated oil, I added whole garam masalas and sliced onions till brown. Then I added ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin and salt and cooked the spices well. Then added the rice and dal mixture and stir fry for several minutes so that every grain is coated with the spiced oil. Then poured hot water and bring it to a boil. Then it was time for his tasting and his expression says all.